Pachipamwe, and welcome to today's lesson, where we will be focusing on the compound or complex consonant sounds in chiShona. If you haven't, make sure to watch the previous lesson on the vowels and simple consonants. In this video, we will cover 48 complex or compound consonant sounds. B, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. B, ba, be, bi, bo, vu. Bwa, bwa, bwe, bwi, bgo, bgu. Ch, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Chua, chwa, chwe, chui, chwo, chwu. D, da, de, di, do, du. Jg, jga, jge, jgi, jgo, jgu. Z, za, ze, zi, zo, zu. D, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Gwa, gwa, gwe, gwi, gwo, gu. W, wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Kwa, kwa, kwe, kwi, kwo, ku. Mb, mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. Mbwa, mbwa, mbwe, mbwi, mbgo, mbgu. M, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Mwa, mwa, mwe, mwi, mwo, mwu. Mv, mva, mve, mvi, mvo, mvu. Mwa, mwa, mwe, mwi, mwo, mu. Nga, nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nd, nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. Ndwa, ndwa, ndwe, ndwi, ndwo, ndwu. Ng, nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Ngwa, ngwa, ngwe, ngwi, ngwo, ngwu. N, na, ne, ni, no, nu. Nj, nja, nje, nji, njo, nju. Njwa, njwa, njwe, njwi, njwo, njwu. Nwa, nwa, nwe, nwi, nwo, nwu. Ny, nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu. Nz, nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzu. Nj, nja, nje, nji, njo, nju. Nzwa, nzwa, nzwe, nzwi, nzwo, nzwu. F, pa, pe, fi, fo, fu. Kwa, pkwa, pkwe, pkwi, pko, pku. Rwa, rwa, rwe, rwi, rwo, rwu. Sh, sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Shwa, shwa, shwe, shwi, shwo, shwu. Sh, sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Skwa, skwa, skwe, skwi, sko, sku. Ts, tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. Ch, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Twa, twa, twe, twi, two, two, twum, twa, twe, twi, two, two, chka, chka, chke, chki, chko, chku, v, va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Je, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Joie, joie, jouer, joui, jouo, jouo. Je, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Zwe, zwa, zwe, zui, zwo, zwo. Surprisingly, these are not all the sounds in the Shona dialects that make up Central chiShona, but they will cover most of our needs. Some of these sounds you will only find in specific words and will not come across them often. But it is a good idea to understand how to use the morae system to spell and to hear all the syllables in chiShona. Make sure to go to the website to download the alphabet poster, which will have the simple consonants as well as the complex consonants. Toonana.